Final one then about ethical and professional issues. Several audit clients have required that we provide technical training on financial reporting issues, but it's not a service that we wish to provide. So we've referred these clients to somebody else, and they pay us a fee for it. Okay, so first of all, the ethical issue is a bit of self-interest here. And so to be ethically clear, well, first of all, explain why it's a self-interest, because we will have a financial benefit of referring our audit clients to this firm. Okay, how significant is that? Well, relatively, I guess, but there's not much in the scenario to mention. So you say, well, it is significant. What safeguards could we put in place then to deal with this? And I think the first one is tell the clients about the fee. Even get them to confirm it back to you that they know about the fee. Okay. Also, ensure that we have no interests engaged. You know, any of our employees have interest in the financial training firm. But also there's the reputation risk, isn't there? There we are suggesting people go to this company. Well, we need to make sure that gates are strong. We need to make sure that the training firm has so that gates have the skills, the reputation, the resources, the experience to give a good job. Okay, I think that's all you could say about it. Remember, it's one line per point, and you're there really.